Hello friends, in the last two classes we have learned the basic concepts of articles, and now in this class we are going to learn about some important rules which will help us to avoid common mistakes which we generally commit. So the first rule goes as follows. So, in the last class, we have seen that the words which begin with a consonant letter, we use A before them. And the words which starts with a vowel letter, we use an before them. But now, we will see some exceptions. And that exception has arisen because of the different sounds that are being produced in contrast to their spellings. So let us see an example. So see, so let us take the example of university. So ideally it starts with it starts with the letter U, which is a vowel. So ideally we should have used an before university. However, in contrary to this, we use a university. Why a? Because the sound which is being produced is U, and U is a consonant sound. So that is why we use a university. Similarly, European. So this is a vowel. However, we use A before European because the sound which is being produced is U. Now take another example, hour. See, this starts with a consonant. However, we use an before it. Why? Because the sound produced is hour, not hour. So, hour is a vowel sound, and for that matter, we use an before hour. So, these are some of the exceptions, or these are some of the letters about which we have to take extra care while using the articles. Now, rule number 2 is like this. Rule 2. See, we have to use a or n only before singular noun. Singular noun, and now when we are using the concept of singular, this suggests that the noun is countable. Okay, we don't have singular or plural for uncountable noun. So for singular countable noun, we use a, n or n. For example, see, tree. Tree is a singular word here. So we can use a before tree. However, if we use a before trees, it becomes wrong. Why? Because a or n can be used only before singular countable noun. Now let us take another example. The example of milk. Now milk is an uncountable noun. Okay, why? Because we cannot count milk. We cannot say one milk or two milk. So milk is an uncountable quantity, and before an uncountable quantity we cannot use a or n. So if we say a milk, it becomes wrong. It becomes wrong. So these are the two rules. I will be coming up with more rules in the coming video. So keep watching the upcoming videos and do subscribe to my channel.